So guys, both Sanus came in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, happy day. Today's a very special day. You know what a vlogger name? Gyal better can cook, them gyal can cook. Kitchen edition with Miss Sinus. Yo, my name not itch right now. But before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, because I found out watch the video and not do it, Anyway, let me shut my mouth. Miss Sinus, talk to them, because she got chef up something in the kitchen today in the food, because kitchen is there. Miss Sinus, chat to them. What going on?
Hi. Hello, everyone. So today we will be doing sweet and sour chicken. Show them the food. Well, I season up the chicken.
Tell them what you put in it.
So I put all-purpose seasoning. Not all-purpose seasoning, the Maggi chicken seasoning. I put black pepper. First, so I cut up the chicken. It was a whole chicken and I put it up and I wash it with some vinegar. I added scallion. Added pepper. We shot on some spices, but you have to use it and make it Anton fashion. So we use the Maggi chicken seasoning, black pepper, herbs and spices, and then we go rub it in, make it sit a little bit to the pot over there. So I'm going to eat one.
Don't watch your kitchen like
and then I add the flour. I'm going to sprinkle a little black pepper in there because I love my chicken with black pepper. And then, so I'm just stay tuned for the chicken and fry. You have to fry first before you cook it down in the sweet and sour sauce.
So cut it up too.
Yeah, when it fry, we'll cut up finer. So it serve longer, and that's how you eat sweet and sour chicken.
Long time I eat Chinese style, eh?
Oh, we have the coloring.
Yeah, man, the coloring. Show them what them feel, see? Yeah. Make sure you have the ketchup and thing, yeah, man.
I got add a little barbecue sauce to it, and you must add sugar and all of them something there. So it's sweet. We don't have pineapple to make it sour. But it still have a taste nice.
You add 2 lime in it. How did you deal with it? Don't add no lime in there. Yeah, man.
Alright, so yeah.
Alright, peeps, when you hear that, so when you're ready for fry up now, we're going to make on a seat when we sign us, I'm going to fry it up. Yeah, I think that's what you're going to do right now. So, we're just go on journey with your boy.
So, yeah, we have to rub in seasoning like chicken. Some people didn't season up their chicken from overnight and marinate it, but we just feel look sweet and sour chicken now, so I know what I do it.
Yeah.
I make it sit a little bit.
Yeah.
Like, what I normally do, I put it on the fridge. Make it go and sit down in the while the oil hot, oil of it hot. And then would I go in the fridge and take out piece, drop it in the flour and fry. Then I take out the whole base out of the fridge, make it some of them go and marinate. Rub in it. Show them on them now.
Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like that, eh? I'm a male.
So your chicken for pretty. If your chicken now looks something, you know what you do.
You're poisoning me, man. Don't poison me, man.
So
how long you make it stay for me, son? So you expect I eat up and things.
So that part there for hot,
Yeah, it's a hot, like volcano, you see it, lava.
Alright guys, so sign us to gone. So I decided to take it up for myself to start the video. Alright, so the oil now, I make it extra hot. Normally you wet your hand. See? So you know so it's oil hot.
Also, remember you have to put a good amount of oil.
A good amount of oil in there. Alright, so
you have to know step by step.
I go flour the chicken.
She go flour the chicken like it's his birthday.
Ooh! Slippery when wet.
I know that.
Alright, so so I'm cover on the chicken good.
Cover.
And also you don't want to waste the flour. So normally when you're done, you just knock it off so you don't want the chicken taste to be a flour, So you just
But what you plate them now back there, we'll keep it real 100%.
Yeah, we've been cooking.
The kitchen use.
Alright guys, so
alright, see so now. Sure chicken hot. And then hot. Right? At this unstable now, husband, you know.
Hot time.
Hot time, you know.
I know she honey farmer.
Honey farmer, and wicked woman. Oh, God. Why man did do so? The man never do nothing, you know? No, you see that?
And then when you do that, you put the cover over it, so you know the chicken sweat and
Chicken sweat.
fry out for fry.
You know, like it a workout, you know? Yeah.
Let it go on, you know, simmer down.
Simmer down.
And it fry it faster too.
Fry it faster.
So yeah, if your partner sound something, you know.
You doing something now. So let's sign us. How long you normally fry chicken for? Much minutes?
Alright, me personally, when me a fry chicken, me not time me. I just look on it. I see if I cook. But alright, what more that advise enough to do is give it a little more, 20 minutes.
Yeah. Alright, well.
You know what? Share and give nobody no raw food, you know?
Like KFC, yeah.
Man, I eat chicken and I see the blood and slime.
You don't want that.
Yeah, for me personally, I'm so good at it, I don't time food.
She no
But
time
just know
food.
when I cook.
She no time food, get it? She no time. You put pan right. You don't put time in
It
her
smells
chicken.
good?
Yes, smell good.
Alright.
Yeah. So after we done fry up the thing, we go take on to the next stage and thing. Alright. So let's go on journey there, boy. With this edition of Them Gyal Can Cook.
Okay guys, so if the chicken doesn't look like
Stop
that.
talking.
Oh,
Just keep it there.
alright people, so chicken are fry. You know really done yet. But you have to say it's getting there, right? But you have to see it should have bun up on it. Anyways. Whoa. Yeah, so the key is to make a chicken fry fast, you cover it up.
Cover me.
And I want if a chicken wrap to fry,
Yeah,
so
man, Sherry Simons, where you do from? Sherry Simons, you know what piece of the junk crow?
Wow. She's gonna say you is the junk crow.
Wow. So them stylings there. So chicken will fry up right now.
I don't know how get known.
Yeah. Oh, no, no, get known. You see that? Golden fried chicken. Yeah. Look nice though. Them gyal you can't cook. Tap me and make you know. You hear that? What go on, Miss Ino? So the cookings are going.
It a go on. It show them chicken already.
Yeah,
Right?
I'm sure them bone up for all them man.
Yeah.
Them gyal you can't cook.
So guys, all my fry the chicken, I'm gonna make it stay in there for the full 20 minutes, you know? Because I go cook it down in the sauce. Sweet and sour sauce.
Yeah.
So it go well cooked down and stuff up and nice up and squish out in your mouth.
Wow.
So I still monitor them. I have a few little more left. Just few little scrapsies, you know. And then meanwhile them are fry. So I just go and chop up the one them we fry in some smaller pieces.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
And then I go put on the pot on the stove to make the sauce. And I go show you how to make the sauce before I make the sauce and when I make the sauce. And yeah.
Oh!
Batty boy!
Alright guys, so Silas I cut up the chicken them.
Yeah, man. Gotta cut it up. Cut it. And the piece of kind of bone.
Isn't that a leg?
Yeah, have the leg?
Oh, it's a piece of wing.
Yeah, the left it.
Left that piece there.
That piece are kind of big, so gotta cut up the meaty parts, man. The bony parts. Oh, that piece.
Chef sign us at them.
Thanks.
Alright, so when I'm done cut up the chicken, I show now. Because I forgot to get started with the sauce. But I still have to show now how the sauce make and all these things. So, yeah, soon come back. Alright, guys, so, yeah, you want it?
Yes.
Alright, so, chicken done cut up and everything.
Mm-hmm.
What I'm going to basically do now is make the sauce. So, what I'm going to do is pour about a 2 cups of water. You're not going to wait until it boils though. You just going to put all the ingredients in there until it comes to a boil. Then you add your chicken. Yeah. Alright. So, ingredients then.
Ingredients,
I have ketchup. This might done in there.
What?
I have the red artificial food coloring, Benjamin's the best. I have island spice, herbs and spices, and I have easy spice, Jamaican black pepper.
Scorn them.
And I have my scallion and my pepper.
Dash you.
Scallion and pepper. I go put garlic. And then also sugar in our fridge. Whatever. I go add a little touch of this too, so I make it spicy. Sweet. So guys,
You can't cook.
you can't cook. No, no. So we're gonna make this one bubble up. When it start bubble up, then we'll add the chicken.
So what's this now?
This is the sauce. The sauce not fully make it in, I'm gonna put the coloring in there until I put the chicken in there, so the chicken get the color. So I'm gonna make it go and bubble up. When it start bubble up, then we'll put the chicken them in there. And after that, I test it, put some more ketchup if needed, and then add my sugar and if it want more salt.
Alright. Cool.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna be adding the chicken. Add the chicken in the pot. Get it too fat. Break your back. Bend over like that.
What is she doing?
I'm freestyling.
Style free. Okay.
You know, so I feel like I put too much gravy in there.
Yeah,
But
no.
overload, Jesus.
Yeah. They put too much ketchup. You know the trick already. To make it water down, go down.
Yeah, it's like a boil down.
Boil down, yeah.
Yeah, man, it's like a boil down. So I just cut up too much.
Who? Me do what?
Cut up too much.
You may cut up too much.
Yeah. You're gonna eat them. Oh my god. So guys, see it there. It's a go boil down still, you know. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add it. Look how the pot full. Show them how the pot full. So normally I don't measure my things them, you know. I just put when I feel like say is enough.
Instinct. I'm gonna can't cook. How about that trick the tiny man is and trick where the dirty. You know.
You see, because the coloring is strong, guys, you have to be careful.
Yeah.
You don't want the red like blood.
I'm trying to think about around me that it's Father God. Jesus damn blood.
Original, sweet and sour, chicken.
Yard style, them girl can't cook.
Wow.
Hold on.
You just make it simmer down.
Hold on, you know.
Call this about eat 30 minutes, 45 minutes. 30 to 45
Low
minutes.
fire, you say?
Yeah.
So them girl can't cook no bunny up. Nothing better, man.
Yeah, but you know you want the chicken to have the color.
Red like the blood of Jesus, Lord.
It's not red coloring we did for using our guys. It's really and truly orange. But when we go shoppers fair over the supermarket, we only saw red, blue, and yellow.
Yellow as well.
Because it's really orange chicken, you know. Them call it.
Well, you have orange chicken and sweet and sour still.
Yeah.
Orange I use with pineapple, more pineapple tasting base, you know?
You use pineapple in a sweet and sour too.
Yeah. Alright.
So these are the pranks. Alright guys, so the food basically done now. We'll look off the stove. Food done cooked.
Some amount to eat, some white
Now
rice.
we're going to eat some white rice.
Need to eat out some already, yeah people? Please, sorry. Me hungry.
So we'll catch you back when we are dish out the food.
Dish it up. Alright, peeps, in the seat, food ready up. And thing, it's another episode of Them Gyal Can Cook. You know what I mean? But my sinus can cook, that's the thing now. So, now if I want to get a little recipe, a home recipe, so you can switch up the thing from what? The regular fried chicken with sinus. And just put a simple little spin on it.
Everybody can cook, you know. No matter what you do, just make sure it's tasty.
Yeah.
You can go online for recipes.
Yeah, I ask your friend or your neighbor. You know what I mean? Somebody, you know what I mean?
Prepare this. Me can do it by heart.
Yeah, she
Culture,
be. Yeah. Yep. So, you know what I mean? Tony and make fashion worse right now in a corona time. Don't be sinus. But, you know, that's alright for now, sinus. Because everybody want to go KFC every day. But what if you can't afford the KFC or the Burger King or the Domino's every day? You have to cook. Tony and make fashion. You know what I mean? Everybody eat fried chicken every day, but you know what I mean? You just there and say, yo, make we change up the vibes and change up the style or the things stay. Turn we and make fashion in the kitchen and just cook up some food. So thank you very much for watching. Big up on yourself. See you with the next episode, another video again. Big up to myself, wash me sinus. You know what I mean? Hold on. Show them. Big up on yourself out there. And God bless you now. I will love you very much and stream and come later on tonight. Big ups, yeah? Remember to like up the thing, thumbs up and so, yeah. Also check out my gaming channel, you know what I mean? You still try to monetize that one there, please. The link I'll put down there, so. And thing, so you can come over and come support the thing. Alright? Love you guys. And just go and journey with the boy. And remember that nothing can stop us. Cause Kada will rock. Whoop!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could do slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.